Let's draft this conical underbust corset. So on my basic body's front block, I go ahead and input the nipple to nipple measurement divided by 2. I input it also on the hip line, and I'm going to draw a straight line going down from the bust line to the hip line. Next, draw the style line, the princess dart style line, and tighten the underbust. Use 1 inch. So I use 1 inch here for the underbust tightening, and I'm just going to basically tighten the underbust on both sides. I use 1 inch on both sides and just tighten it like so. And then I go down by 5 inches from the waistline. This is going to serve as the corset M, the M of the corset. Going from there at the center front by 1.5 inch, and then connect the dart leg from the underbust to the corset hem. Measure what you have here, put it down here like so, and connect the other side of the dart. So I'm going to measure my waist, excluding the dart, please exclude the dart. That's why I shaded the dart part that I won't be needing. Input your waist circumference divided by 4 on the waistline minus probably 0.5 or 0.25 for waist tightening. And on the bust line, on the chest line, input your bust circumference divided by 4 and then connect like so. Next thing that I'm going to do is to add my darts. Basic bodies usually have this bust dart. Use 1.25 or 1.5 for your bust darts. So yeah. And on the M line, input your hip measurement, excluding the dart. So see that dart, I exclude it while measuring my hip. Input your hip circumference divided by 4 and connect like so. You can add 0.5 inch, and at the center front, see the way I connect it upward, and at the side too, from the UB I connect it upward like so. Divide what you have at this side, divide it into 2 and mark the middle, and then draw a straight line like so. And we are going to create a dart 0.25 on both sides. So this is going to help you to snatch the waist. So I just connect this dart like so. I'm going to cut out the part to be needed, which is the part of the underbust corset, and the rest we don't need it. So I'm going to extend the dart leg downward like so. And when I extend it, I'll cut it out so I can just place it together. You can just temporarily tape it in place so you can shape the M. I go down here by 1.5, and I'm going to connect a curve inward like so. Just draw this exact shape on your corset at the M. I'm just connecting like so. So it will have the same shape the underbust corset that is in the picture have the exact same shape. So yeah, I cut it out and I remove the tape that I used to tape the piece together. And I'm also going to cut this dart out. So we will be left with 3 pieces for the front underbust corset. On the back waistline, input your waist circumference divided by 4, add 0.75 that you taken as that. And on the chest line, input your bust circumference divided by 4 and connect like so. So the next thing is to draw the corset hem. I go down by 5 inches and draw a line, and this will serve as the corset hem. On the corset hem, input your hip circumference divided by 4. You can add 0.5 to it and connect like so. And on the UB at center back, input 1.5 up here, and down here input 1 inch, and then connect like so. This is going to serve as the lacing area. This is where the lacing will be. And whatever you have here, divide it into 2. You divide the remaining part of the waist into 3 places, I mean 3, and draw a line going up, passing through the waist that you divided. So and you are going to create new dart here. So use half inch on both sides for your dart. Use half inch. And when you use half inch for your dart, you are going to I just extend the dart leg downward like so, and then just draw your dart. Draw the dart for the other side as well, like so. So with this, we've created 3 pieces for the back. So I'm going to cut along the underbust line. I'm just going to cut like this, and this is the part we'll be needing for this underbust corset. So for the hem, I'm going to shape in the hem like so. Just shape it you can just do it exactly the way I'm doing it and you get it. So shape the corset hem and cut out the parts we'll be needing. Shape out the I'll cut out the hem first. Cut out the side and the lacing part, and then separate the pieces, cutting out the dots that we created on it. So this is what we have now. The ones I place up here is for the front and the lower one is for the back. Please follow for more tutorials.